Okay, having some struggles with the engine build here. I didn't take good notes on where things came from. So I've gotten to the point of putting it together where I need to ask some questions. So I'm going to go from the front of the engine to the back of the engine. So just to orient yourself, here we have the front alternators here. Just above the alternator, we have the thermostat housing. We're going to call this number one. Where does number one go? Okay, I believe it goes, where are we at? I believe it goes to one of these two fittings here, either the lower fitting or the upper fitting on the throttle body. Not sure which. So somebody can tell me where number one, coming out of the bottom of the thermostat, goes. That would be awesome. Another question I have, question number two, does this hose that runs back to the heater core, is it supposed to go behind the oil return tube as I have it, or does it just go out in front? I would think it would go behind, but it's a fairly tight squeeze. It feels like it's a bit pinched there, so I believe it, I actually believe it goes in the front now that I've routed it behind there. Easy enough to move while the engine's out of the car. So let me know the answer to question number two. Question number three. This one's the one that's stumping me. All the way at the back of the engine, just below the intake manifold, there is this water fitting here. I have no idea where that one goes. No idea whatsoever. So number three, back of the engine, just below the head, cylinder head. Please tell me where that goes, gets routed to. The way things look, the only place it would get routed to is there's only one other place that I think it could go, and again, that's on these top or bottom fittings at the throttle body. And finally, I think we're on number four. Tell me which part of the heater core these go to. I guess the heater core, I can't see it right now, the car's behind me. I think the heater core is oriented so the things are side by side or up and down, I can't remember. But if it goes, okay, so the one coming from the thermostat, tell me where that one goes. If they're side by side, tell me passenger side or driver side. If they're up and down, just tell me top or bottom. And then this one, of course, coming off of the back of the cylinder head, which side of the heater core does that go to? The driver side, passenger side, or top, bottom? Again, the only final question I really think I have, there's a couple of vacuum lines, but I think they're going to like brake booster and stuff like that. And this is, I did not do this. This is not my work. This is how the car was configured when I got it with all these silicone hoses. So I don't know where this one attaches to necessarily. And then I've got this little guy down here. It's got a vacuum line, I guess, goes to that. And it's pretty dark in there, but you can kind of see what that piece looks like. And it's just hanging there. So I don't know if it attaches to some kind of a bracket or what, but if you could help me out with that, I would also appreciate that. Thanks for your help. I hope I get some answers.